Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Download and install the VPN client for your operating system from the provider. Choose a nearby or dedicated redirect server and prefer TCP port 443 for stealth. Log in with your account credentials and confirm two-factor authentication if enabled. Open the client settings and enable the option labeled Redirect Gateway or Set Route 0. 0, 0, 0/0 through the VPN interface. Save the configuration and connect to the chosen server to establish the redirected tunnel. If your device acts as a gateway, configure Iptable's DNAT and post-routing masquerade rules on Linux. Add the rule to forward TCP and UDP to the VPN gateway and persist the rules across reboots. Set a persistent route for 0, 0, 0, 0/0 through the VPN 0 interface and assign a lower metric for priority. Use split tunneling if you must access a local subnet directly, and exclude that subnet from the redirect rules. Verify firewall policies, permit forwarding, and after connecting, verify DNS resolution, uses the VPN DNS servers, and test for leaks using an external resolver query. Confirm encryption is active by checking the negotiated cipher, for example AES 256, in the connection log. Test reachability and latency with ping and traceroute to several destinations, and note throughput in Mbps for performance baselines. If traffic fails, inspect /var/log/openfpin. Log and system firewall logs for dropped packets or rejected connections. Enable
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.